In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text portrait effect in Canva. Start by opening a template in Canva that matches where you'll use the design, like a social post or poster. Once your canvas is ready, go to the Uploads panel and bring in a portrait photo. Drag it onto the page, reposition it so the subject is nicely framed, and resize it to fill the space. Crop out any distracting edges so the face or focal point sits prominently on the canvas. High contrast photos work especially well for this effect. Next, add your typography. Click Text, then add a heading and type any word or short phrase you want to form the silhouette. Choose a bold, heavy font so the shape reads clearly. Thick letter forms give you more area for the image to show through. Align the text to the left for a clean column. Open the advanced settings and lower the line spacing a bit to tighten the stack. Nudge the letter spacing until the characters feel balanced without closing up counters or making the text hard to read. Resize and position the text to roughly cover the area where you want the portrait to appear. Think of this as building the stencil. Now turn the text into a mask. Open the Apps panel, search for FrameMaker, and select it. Click Convert, choose Mask, and Continue. Then confirm with Convert Design to Mask. When the mask is generated, adjust its size so it matches your layout. Check transparent background so the mask exports cleanly, and then export. You'll be prompted to select the image you want to fill the text. Choose your portrait, click Use Selected Image, and drag to reposition the photo inside the letter shapes until the features land where you like them. Take a moment to fine-tune. Small shifts can dramatically improve the recognizability of the face. Add another page in your design to keep things organized, then click Add to Design to bring the masked text element onto your canvas. Resize it to fit your composition and center it so the layout feels balanced. If needed, make minor adjustments to scale or position so the portrait reads well from a distance. A simple background helps the effect stand out. Solid colors or subtle textures are ideal. And that's it. You opened a template, placed and refined your photo, crafted text with intentional spacing, converted it to a mask using FrameMaker, filled it with your portrait, and polished the final layout. With these steps, you can quickly create striking text portrait graphics that are perfect for posters, social media, and cover art.